The big row between Disney and the man who wants to be the next president just took a new turn. Members of the board that oversees aspects of Walt Disney World, appointed by Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, have asked a judge to rule against Disney without a trial in the latest escalation of the feud between the Republican presidential candidate and the entertainment giant. The feud started last year after Disney spoke out against DeSantis' new bill, limiting the discussion of sexual orientation or gender identity in schools. DeSantis responded by moving against Disney in Florida, where the corporation had previously enjoyed significant tax breaks and was granted powers and rights that essentially made it the de facto local government for the land around Walt Disney World. DeSantis took control of the board that oversees Walt Disney World in February this year and filled it with his own appointees. But, just days before this happened, the board voted to severely limit its own power in the future, in an attempt to prevent DeSantis from taking action against Disney World using the board. The new board is seeking to overturn these limits by suing Disney in Florida's state court, and are now attempting to persuade a judge that some rulings can be made against Disney without even going to trial. Disney is the biggest taxpayer in Florida, but DeSantis has his eye on the Republican presidential nomination. Some believe he's willing to risk Florida's historic and lucrative relationship with Disney so long as it helps him with his presidential ambitions, and that he's using the spat to gain support from Republican voters, many of whom oppose what they say is Disney's woke stance in the so-called culture wars.